My name is Vaida Mikelenaite, and this is my creature for special effects class. I was inspired when I was traveling in Redwoods National Park, and while I was walking, I was thinking like, what character should I do? And I see a tree with a mushroom on it. And I was like, this is it, like this is what I'm gonna do, this is my character. The hands were also a little bit detailed. As you can see, it's kind of like veins, like a forest veins, like a tree branches going through her. But she also has long nails. I mean, you're not gonna cut your nails in the forest, you know? It took me a lot of nights to finish all the extra pieces. All the long nights, all the crying was worth it.